Hey Naija, are you ready to turn your hustle into serious Naira? In today's video, I'm revealing 5 proven ways to make money fast in Nigeria in 2025 without huge investments. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a side hustler, these strategies will help you earn cash quickly. Stay tuned for practical tips, real success stories, and bonus insights. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate resource for Nigerian money tips and business ideas. Today we'll cover online freelancing, affiliate marketing and dropshipping, cryptocurrency strategies, social media content creation, and local e-commerce. I'll also share tools and sources like Nairametrics and Business Day to validate these strategies. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Naija hustle hacks. First, let's talk about freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are booming with Nigerian talent. Whether you write, design, or code, you can tap into global markets. Recent trends show that top Nigerian freelancers can earn between N200,000 to N1,000 a month. Showcase your skills and build your portfolio today. Comment below with your freelancing niche and hit like if you're ready to hustle online. Next, affiliate marketing and dropshipping offer great opportunities. With low startup costs, you can promote products and earn commissions, or set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or even local giants like Jumia and Konga. Use keywords like Naija online business to boost your search rankings and drive traffic. If you're into online business, smash that subscribe button and share your experience in the comments. Cryptocurrency is transforming the Nigerian economy. Use platforms like Binance and Luno to invest, stake coins, and even yield farm for passive income. With inflation on the rise, more Nigerians are turning to crypto as a safe haven. Research and adopt strategies like crypto staking and automated trading bots to maximize your returns. Smash that like button if you're into crypto, and let me know your experiences below. Social media is a goldmine for creative Nigerians. Whether you're on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, building an audience can lead to sponsorships, affiliate deals, and ad revenue. Focus on trending topics like Nollywood, Naija culture, and lifestyle hacks to engage your viewers. Your content can be the key to fast cash. Comment your favorite social media platform and subscribe for more content tips. Lastly, tap into local business ideas such as e-commerce, delivery services, or local consulting. With platforms like Konga and local Facebook groups, you can connect directly with Nigerian customers. Whether it's fashion, food delivery, or tech services, leverage mobile payment systems to scale quickly and generate fast income. If you're ready to start your own business, hit like and share what service you'd offer. Here are some bonus tips. Use Google Trends and local keyword tools to identify high-demand niches. Check sources like Nairametrics and Business Day for market insights. Invest in your skills with online courses from Udemy or Coursera to stay competitive. These tools can help you optimize your hustle and maximize earnings. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more insider Naija money tips. Every hustle has its challenges, whether it's inconsistent internet, payment issues, or fierce competition. Connect with fellow entrepreneurs in Nigeria via online forums or local meetups. Remember, persistence is key, and every setback is just a setup for a bigger comeback. Let's look at some success stories from Nigerians who've transformed their lives using these strategies. Their journeys prove that with hard work and smart tactics, making money fast in Nigeria is possible. To recap, here are the 5 proven ways to make money fast in Nigeria. Online freelancing, affiliate marketing and dropshipping, cryptocurrency, social media content, and local e-commerce. Write down one action step you can take today. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. If you found these tips useful, Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more Nigerian money-making strategies. Drop a comment with your favorite method and any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in 2025.